Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best swivel bar stools in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Modern Square Poo Leather Adjustable Bar Stools. The Modern Square Poo Leather Bar Stool is an easily adjustable bar stool that has a sleek and modern style. You can choose from a variety of different colors. The high-density foam upholstered seat in black faux leather balances nicely with the polished chrome base here. In addition, the footrest brings extra comfort and balance. You'll like the way these stools adjust from counter height to bar height with ease as you go from 21.5 inches to 31.5 inches. The swivel also feels smooth and effortless. Many reviewers really like this bar stool. The design is super stylish, the price is great, and the customer service is amazing. A few reviewers complain that the chair squeaks when you sit on it. There are also a few reviewers who complain that the quality control isn't the best. The chair's dimensions are 16 by 15 by 43.5 inches. It weighs 14.99 pounds. If you're looking for a leather bar stool, then this is for you. Top features: bright color selection, nice leather seat, super stable base. Number 2. Our second best pick is Boraam Augusta Bar Height Swivel Stool. The Boraam Augusta Bar Stool is a rustic-styled bar stool that has a sleek leather seat. You can choose from a variety of different colors. Standing out from the pack due to its wood frame with a cappuccino finish paired with faux leather cushioning, this elegant design is packed with ergonomic features. In fact, this item ranks high among swivel counter stools with backs in terms of comfort. The solid hardwood used brings stability that's bolstered by the design's slightly flared legs. The upholstery offers a high-density foam cushion. It's all capped off with a durable built-in footrest that just happens to add to the beauty of the design. Reviewers rave about everything from the stability to the color of the wood used. A few reviewers complain that the seat doesn't last very long. There are also a few reviewers who complain that the quality isn't the best. The bar stool's dimensions are 18 by 19.5 by 43.5 inches. It weighs 14.03 pounds. If you're looking for a rustic bar stool, then this is a great option for you. Top features: rustic styled, high density foam, faux leather seat. Number 3. Our third best pick is Halter Barstool Adjustable Counter Height Swivel Bar Stools. The Halter Adjustable Height Stool Chairs is a versatile stool chair that has a contemporary design. You can choose from 8 different colors. The beautiful metal frame with a chrome finish makes this a crisp, modern look. The quality is observable in the stool's diamond-stitched pattern paired with a sturdy base with a built-in footrest. The stool's 360-degree swivel feels smooth. Overall, the feel is very ergonomic. Reviewers like that these stools are easy to raise and lower. Modern bar stools in this collection are sure to add style and flair to your kitchen, bar, or patio. Diamond-stitched pattern gives these stools an air of both modern luxury and rustic chic design. Home bar furniture can be used both indoor and outdoor. A few reviewers complain that the chair is a bit hard to assemble. There are also a few reviewers who complain that the chair isn't very sturdy. If you're looking for a versatile stool chair, then this is a great option for you. Top features: sleek color selection, quality materials, versatile function. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Roundhill Furniture 2 Swivel Elegant Poo Leather Modern Adjustable Hydraulic Bar Stools. Just looking at the Roundhill Furniture Swivel Leather Bar Stool, you can see that it's comfortable. It's designed with comfort in mind with backed faux leather seats that have been injected with foam. It has a footrest and a 360-degree swivel feature, making it easy to fit in a variety of spaces. The Roundhill stools also feature an airlift design, making it adjustable from 24 inches to 30 inches, so you can use it at a counter or a bar. It's versatile, modern, and comes with a price tag that's hard to beat. The roundhill stool is truly contemporary, so it's best if you have a bar area that at least borders on contemporary as well. On the other hand, this bar stool could be the decorative part you need to spruce the whole room up. The only downside is the airlift design isn't the smoothest, but for the features, style, and price point we still consider it to be a great bar stool option. Pros: comfort is on point, price, ease of assembly, adjustable from counter to bar height. Cons: seat cushion may show hand marks and require frequent cleaning. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Superjarry Adjustable Swivel Bar Stool Chairs 2. The Superjarry Swivel Bar Stool is a charming and stable bar stool that has a unique design and a stylish appeal. You can choose from 2 different colors. The hot stamping cloth in retro brown gives these swivel bar stools with backs a very groovy vibe. While the feel is very comfortable and elegant, you're also getting plenty of wear resistance. The 360-degree swivel is very smooth. In addition, you're getting the ergonomic benefits of support for your lumbar spine with a nice footrest. These stools are true floor savers thanks to a plastic ring at the base that prevents scratching. Many reviewers really love this bar stool. The actual product looks exactly like what's in the picture, it is very comfortable, and the overall functionality is perfect. Liven up your space with the charming chair that will catch eyes with its unique stylish charm. Everyone who walks into your home will just have one word: love it. It fits perfectly in the bars, kitchen counters, coffee shops, markets, etc. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.